Welcome back to Projection World. Step into this majestic living room where nostalgia meets next gen cinema. Bathed in natural sunlight, framed by timeless furniture and soulful art, this space already had a story. All it needed was a voice. With the brilliance of an Epson 4K projector and the immersive depth of an 110-inch Dolby Atmos home cinema, that voice now echoes through every corner. Monitor audios, angular bookshelf speakers, and in-ceiling Atmos channels, all finely tuned, driven by a Denon amplifier, perfectly concealed in custom carpentry. Every wire hidden, every detail considered, every sound felt. An artistic living room, reborn with emotion, elegance, and an experience that stirs the soul. For creating such experience, we are just a call away. Thank you, and let's see the demo.
घर में है सितारे प्रोजेक्शन वर्ल्ड में आए और सारे फिल्म प्यारे है क्रिस्टल क्लियर पिक्चर और ऑडियो भी है सिक्सर सुपर इजी इंस्टॉलिंग का फंडा हर घर से